جو ریئل لوگ ہیں جنہوں نے کام کرنا ہے, جن کے مسل یوز ہونے ہیں, میرا آج کا ٹارگٹ یہ تھا کہ وہ لوگ آپ لوگوں کو کمٹمنٹ دیں.
As per the chairman leading decision, Mr. Rafique, to develop a Pakistan advanced smart city concept.
Alhamdulillah, we have achieved cutting, filling and the road structure up to 60%.
I must say one thing, this site is absolutely incredible.
Very excited by being here. We're analyzing the site as we speak and looking at the key features.
ایک ایسا اسپیشل پروجیکٹ جو کہ شاید پاکستان کی ہسٹری میں پہلے تو نہیں تھا, بٹ اس کے بعد سے انشاءاللہ ایک سٹینڈرڈ سیٹ کر دے گا.
They are making a wonderful city which will be a modern city of Pakistan.
The concept of such a facility is that it should be able to provide long-term care and short-term care, and so they need to get back on their feet as soon as possible.
Capital Smart City, it is actually located in the ancient Gandhara region. So it makes so much sense to actually establish in the heart of Capital Smart City a Gandhara center which would serve as the art and culture nucleus for the city.
जितने मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है कि मैं कैपिटल स्मार्ट सिटी की मैनेजमेंट, इनकी लेबर, इनका प्रोफेशनलिज्म, it's so amiable, it's amazing, out of the world. And I'm very lucky to have a plot, I have a property in Capital Smart City. They treated me like a princess.
The Silver Award from SIP is a proof that our planning of Capital Smart City are elevated in a different status, as it is recognized as one of the best, not only in Pakistan, but we are looking at Asia Pacific.